Damn, I even forgot I had this in my rotation. I picked this up in November time. So let's review the sneaker, finally. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and if you're new to the channel, also welcome to the channel, guys. That's right, guys, today I'm reviewing the Jordan 6 A Ma Maniére Built For This, a sneaker that actually came out on the 21st of November, and I actually picked it up maybe a month after, and I'm finally doing the review. But before we look at the sneaker, before we go into the review, before we break down the sneaker, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do, and please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks ATO. Go follow the bro at 808 Kicks _ ATO. Go and show him some love and support, because it always comes and shows the channel love and support. And also, please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast. We talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court or public opinion. And we're just about to hit 200 episodes, so go and check that out, guys. And also, guys, keep doing amazing things that you guys keep doing to keep growing, to keep excelling, to keep being awesome, because I want you to win, guys. You guys need to keep winning. You guys need to keep being amazing, and you guys need to just keep growing and elevating and being awesome. Because talking about awesome sneakers, we always talk about awesome sneakers here. Let's talk about this Jordan 6 A Ma Maniére Built For This. As you can see from the B-roll, guys, we're looking at the Jordan 6 A Ma Maniére Built For This, a sneaker which actually came out on the 21st of November, and I actually picked this up a couple of weeks to a month after it released, and finally we're doing the review. But like I do on this channel, I'm going to take a look at the box first, because hey, presto, shebang, it's an all blacked out box, and there's a reason why this is the color it is, and I'm going to explain to you because the artwork inside describes it best. And as you can see, hopefully you can see that, guys, you've got the Jumpman and A Ma Maniére. On the bottom you've got on the underlead you've got all of that A Ma Maniére print that goes with this as well, and right at the bottom you've got the affiliated writing, and you can see all of that A Ma Maniére print with that Jumpman on top of it as well. And inside the box this is where it can become special. I'll show you the lid in a minute, but you've got A Ma Maniére paper, tissue paper inside this as well, and you've also got two sets of tissue papers, one that wraps each of the sneakers, and you got the overall tissue paper which has got the A Ma Maniére basically print on this as well. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely dope. And this is where it becomes a bit more cultured. This is where it becomes a bit more important. I just dropped something. This is where it becomes a bit more important, and that beautiful print is done. That artwork is done by Jamie Holmes, which is basically titled Malcolm, and basically it is an expression of a person that attended one of Malcolm X's basically speeches, and that's that beautiful artwork, and that culture that brings onto this box is absolutely amazing. The expression, the looks, the exhaustive looks of the actual person attending it, all the expression that comes through this, and I have to just see it. It is just absolutely gorgeous. This is why the box is all blacked out, and this is why it's so epic. I love the box. I love the way A Ma Maniére keep bringing culture. This artwork is special. I'm going to try and treasure this box and keep it as much as possible. I believe in learning from history. I believe in basically learning from cultures and learning from different cultures. We all one and the same, and this is why this is absolutely special. But on the box now, let's take a look at the box label. No, close the box up. Let's take a look at the box label, because the box label reads this, should be like this, and should come like this, because it does read. And I actually did get this from, I think I got this from one of the platforms. I've got this one from the platform. This is from the retailers. Definitely genuine. This actually came out in the US only. I tried for the rough one. I think it came, I might have got it for resale, to be honest, but let me have to work it out. £210 is what I basically priced it at. I think this is actually from End or something like that, but I need to work out where I got it from. It's been a long time. The box label reads Air Jordan 6 Retro SP Special Project AMM, which is A Ma Maniére. It's basically Vapor, Mauve, Burgundy, Ash. There's the two colorways. The original name was Smoky Mauve before it got turned into Built For This. And the sneaker basically means the perseverance to rise above the challenges and everything that has to do with that sneaker. I'll go into the sneaker and the meaning a bit more when I review the sneaker. But the label reads UK 9, which is a size 9. I had to go half a size down. I think I can actually fit it. I might have to take the insole out to fit it because that's the only size I could get. And 11.5 for the women's. I know it's going to be a bit tight on my feet, but I'm definitely going to wear these. These are definitely going in my feet. I'm going to definitely experiment. This is one I needed to get in, and it definitely comes from the retailers. I think this was the last couple of sizes that I had to get, and I actually got it. This is I can't remember what happened with this. That's what the sneaker box label looks like. The code on it is IF3103200. That's what the box label looks like. That's how it should be, and that's how it should come. Now it's going to be interesting to see if I can actually fit a size 9 in an actual Jordan 6. Let's find out, because I'm going to definitely do it on feet, and I'll let you guys know afterwards if it does or doesn't fit properly. But that's what it looks like. Even if it does, I'm going to take the insole out, don't worry. But that's what the box label looks like. That's how it reads. That's how it should come. Now let's take a look at these sneakers. It's sneaker time, so hey presto, shebang, and as you can see, this is the Jordan 6 A Ma Maniére Built For This, and basically it's a sneaker of resilience for celebration, or resilience earned celebration, and the perseverance to rise above it all. And this is iconic, and this is ironic as well, because the Jordan 6 is Michael Jordan's first championship ring winning sneaker, and that's absolutely awesome. To bring it onto this Jordan 6 is absolutely amazing. And because of the actual uppers, because of the name, because it was called Smoky Mauve, you can see automatically why it was called Smoky Mauve. Is basically this mauve colorway, and I think A Ma Maniére uses this colorway quite a bit, and it just brings so much beautiful detailing and beautiful texture and beautiful materials to the sneaker. And as you can see, guys, the suede on this is soft, and I can tell you guys, the suede feels soft all the way through this. You can see the 23 on it, the 2 at the top and the 3 at the bottom. That is all iconic on the Jordan 6, and that is absolutely beautiful. The suede runs all the way through the uppers, and you got this burgundy ash at the back with more of that burgundy on the spoiler. You got more of that burgundy ash on the Nike Air on the back, and the burgundy ash at the top, and you got this cream covering that covers through it. It's a bit lighter than the mauve. It kind of is material version of the mauve colorway, and you've got more of that burgundy ash on the actual Jumpman there as well. Absolutely dope. Burgundy ash hits the actual rims on the midsole as well, where you normally get the color change on the midsole with the actual mauve. That is absolutely beautiful. And on the outsole, you've got more of that translucent and burgundy ash, and that Jumpman, which is a bit more creamer than anything else. That is dope. That is fire, and that is amazing. The sneaker itself is absolutely dope. You've got more of that inner lining, which is all of that double stitch premium inner lining, which is absolutely gorgeous. And you've got more like that burnt ash burgundy on the actual lace lock as well, with that Jumpman, which is more that cream mauve Jumpman. That is fire. The laces on it, you get 3 sets of laces. You got the mauve laces on this. I'm going to try and get the other laces out. You've got black laces which come with this as well, which is dope, which is in that recycled zero or move to zero kind of cardboard paper box. And then you've got that yellow laces. I don't know why the yellow laces come with this. I think I'm going to keep them mauve or change them to black. I might think the black might pop on this to actually give it more of that vibe, because I feel like it's a lot of mauve on this sneaker. But let me ever see if it's actually black or burgundy ash, because that would be quite interesting. It's okay, this is just black, almost sort of slightly waxy black laces. I might actually change it. To be honest, I might actually change the laces. And you know, swapping out a Jordan 6 lace is crazy to do, because it is quite a hard task to do. You've got to get it under the actual, like the actual covering there as well, which is crazy. You've got to kind of unclip it and uncover it and lace it through, or try and lace it through without unclipping it. Yeah, that's just crazy, some crazy shit. But I'm going to try and open this up and show you the insole, because I think both of these insoles are actually got Nike Air on the insoles. I've checked the left and the right, so it should be the same. And you've got more of this mauve pattern. I'm going to see if you can take this out. Is it locked in? Hopefully it's not locked in. No, it's not locked in. It's more of this polyurethane insole. It's not, it is actually thick. It's actually thick. It's not that Dreamsole insole. And it's got more of that A stitch. Is that A stitching? Is it A? Yeah, it's got A Ma Maniére on. It's got more of the A Ma Maniére pattern on there as well, and it's got that Nike Air. I think both of the actual insoles are the same. That is fire. That is dope, and it's gonna feel cushiony. It's not like the Jordan 4. The Jordan 4 A Ma Manieres were prominent and bumpy. This is flattish, and it's more of a thinner insole. But Jordan 6s are comfortable anyway, and you can see the inner lining on this is brilliant, and you've got the mauve on the back of the actual tongue there as well. Absolutely dope and absolutely fire. That's beautiful. That is dope, and I actually love this sneaker. Still smells fresh. I haven't even put them on feet, but I'm definitely going to put these on feet at the end, so wait to the end for the on feet. Brilliant sneaker, built for this. Basically a celebration through perseverance, rising to the top, resilience to get to where you need to get to. This is an absolutely dope message, and anybody that's struggling, anybody that's actually trying to get through life, these sneakers always send a message, and A Ma Maniére definitely sends a message. And I have a little bit of a plan for A Ma Maniére. I might reach out to James Whitner and let him know my idea, because obviously the idea I have is brilliant. I need to definitely reach out to actually James Whitner. He hopefully listens. But I love that creamy translucent outsole. It's almost translucent. Yeah, creamy translucent outsole. But like I do in this channel, I'm going to give you that front perspective. I'm going to give you that booty action back perspective with that Nike Air on the back, that lateral side, that medial side, and that beautiful outsole. Look at that outsole, absolutely dope. Give you that 360-degree rotation. Make sure it's on your feet. Make sure you keep bringing the heat, and make sure you keep bringing all of that heat to the street. Bang, bang, and bang. This sneaker quality is A1. There's no issues with the glue stains. There's no issue with scruffs, scratches, marks, all of that. It is such a beautiful sneaker. Smoke mauve on deck with that burgundy ash. So dope, so fire. Absolutely dope. And I love that Nike Air on that back with that spoiler. Jordan 6 are special. Jordan 6 are underrated. And obviously you don't get, like on the Jordan 6, you don't get the pods that protrude. You get a little bit of that slight dash there where the pods normally do protrude to actually give you that definition, but you don't get the pods. It's slimline. It's just slim, guys. It's not that. If you look at the infrared or the reverse infrared salesman that I did the review for, or any of the Jordan 6s I do review for, you haven't got those pods. It's more of a slimline variation of a Jordan 6, and I love it. Absolutely dope, absolutely fire. I'm going to give it obviously super gold. A Ma Maniére do their thing on things. A Ma Maniére just bring the quality on things, and this is why you got to respect what they do. This is a brilliant colorway. Goes with all the other colorways. It just comes with the theme. The built for this theme is absolutely fire as well. That's my personal opinion. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this is actually what you picked up in November, December time, or if you skipped, because these were more of an exclusive release to A Ma Maniére. You had to be there to get it, and I think I actually got this from one of the platforms when it actually dropped further down the line. Absolutely dope, absolutely fire, absolutely amazing. Make sure you cop sneakers from all the legit platforms. Nobody wants a fake around here. Beautiful, even that little touch at the back is so fire. Absolutely dope. But that was a review for the Jordan 6 A Ma Maniére, built for this, because you guys, you know you have to be built for this. Keep hustling, keep grinding, and keep being awesome. But wait for the end for the on feet. But like I do on this channel, like I say, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always showing love and support. Nearly hitting 2K. Let's get to 2K and onwards, guys. But for me, TJ, I love Kit Customs. Hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you all deserve to get the sneakers you want. For me, TJ, I love Kit Customs. Peace out for now, guys, and peace.
Just discovered Crown, the iced coffee, kind of turned up in her right now. You know what I'm saying? I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just sit by to the booth, the chosen one like Luke. I spread my wings, I'm still in love like truth. I ran myself full circle like hoops, bobbing, weaving through the traffic like coops. Underrated on the pavement like some high-tech boots. Take my aim at the game and I shoot. Missed the target by a measure, now I do it for pleasure. Ain't no rush, I can pop off at my leisure. It ain't on me, boys in me, so I won't lose my clever. Plus I'm straight, I ain't hurting for cheddar. That's an old school reference, got a real shit preference. I come at you with deference. I ain't studying you stepping. I don't care what you reppin'. I'm west side to the death end. I'm A-Town, ain't no guessing. Nothing more, nothing less. Ain't gon' ask for no blessing. I come through with the wrecking. I'm low key, no suspecting. You won't know there's no weapon. I'm wide awake, you been sleeping. I unsended the message. If I do miss some betting, it's on me, bring that check in. Boy, I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just throw up the deuce. I swear I'm the truth. I swear I'm the truth. I keep trying to tell them, but it ain't no use trying to convince these niggas, even though I got the proof. I just sit